Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I will be showing you all the stickers that I ordered during the Black Friday sale from Etsy. I placed an order from 4 sticker stores. One of them I have already put the haul video up. If you are interested, I will leave a link to it. So the first shop here is AliKatz, and her order came with this really cute freebie of some font stickers. I like the font, it's really nice. And then I ordered some sticker kits. So this first one is one winter cozy, really nice kit. I love the colors. It's very neutral but enough color here with this green and stuff. So just one thing I want to mention is that her stickers are made from permanent matte paper, so you cannot remove them, whereas the others I think you can. So this is the first kit, and then the second kit is this really pretty floral one. I feel this one is a very apt for February because it's got that cool undertone winter feeling, but these flowers make you feel really nice. So I think it'll be nice to use during the Valentine's week or anytime during February. And this one, I believe it's for Christmas. It looks really festive and it's got snow and all that. So I feel you can use it for any festivals, and we have a festival coming up in January, so I thought I'll use this for that week. And then this is the last kit. So I actually placed an order for a different one, but she sent me this. It's totally fine because I reached out to her. She said she will mail me the right one, and I know why she got confused because the colors are very similar and the design is quite similar, so I think she got confused. That's totally fine. And then the next shop that I ordered from is called A Pretty Planscape, and for this I got some freebies. Let me just have a look. So these were the freebies that I got, and this one's really nice winter theme, and this is for Christmas. And then if you are a happy planner freak, you know how precious these colorful boxes are. I actually have 2 of the colorful boxes from Happy Planner itself, but they're so hard to find. Look at how many I've used. Look at this. I just have a bunch left in this color palette, and this one is already done. I have a backup one as well, but they're so hard to find, so I just thought I'll pick up these ones, and that's how I found her shop. So this is in the Peaches and Coral color palette and size 1. This size is exactly, it matches exactly to the Happy Planner boxes. So this is in teals, grays, and this is in size 2. And this, I want to use it in my monthly planner, monthly layout. So yeah, and then I ordered a bunch of her kits. So each kit comes with sidebar and this washi and the dates and stuff, and I placed an order for add-ons as well. My plan with this is to use it for my budget. So I thought I could use this large washi for my budget and use these solid ones to write down headers, and then use these flags, just I don't know for what, and then probably just to add a little bit of decor. And I thought I'll use this larger box to write down how much I've saved that particular month. And then with the left out stickers, these ones, this washi and these 6 thin washi strips, they're so dainty and nice. I thought I could use this in my main planner just to decorate for a week. I could highlight some main events in these and use this washi, these decorative boxes and stuff. So this is for January. And then I picked up this kit for February. So this is really nice. It's again very floral. It just reminds me of February. So I picked up this one. And this is one of my favorite kits that she had. I loved the pattern, and March is my birthday is in March, so I thought I would use this for March. And by the feeling of it, I'm thinking this is on permanent matte stickers as well. And then let's move on to my favorite sticker shop that I have found. I mean, I love Plannercade Stickers. Her quality, her customer service, her delivery timelines, her designs, everything it's just perfect. I don't think I can find any fault in her stickers. So her order comes with 5 freebies. So these are called samplers, I believe. And I got, every time you get different ones, I think in all the 3 shops, every time you get different freebies, so it'll be nice to anticipate as to what you'll get. The first one is these event labels. I always use these for meetings and stuff. This is half boxes. I'm not a huge fan of these diagonal stripes. Usually if I don't like a sticker but they're not that bad, I end up using it in my in another like notebook. And then this is newest edition, so everyone was really excited to receive these, so it's nice. It's the PK Doodles. I love this phone. I want to place an order for a full sheet of those. And this is the tiny double tone boxes. And this is the one that I really wanted. It's these event stickers with book shape, so I thought I could mark the book that I'm reading for that particular month. So these are the freebies. And then I ordered a bunch of add-ons and I thought I'll build a kit myself. So for every design I ordered this thin washi. I'm not a fan of huge washi, the larger ones that you get, so I ordered the thin ones. Some pattern boxes. This one's I thought I'll use it to mark main events for that week, so someone's birthday or any particular meeting. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I thought I could use it for that. And these are event labels. I'm thinking it's event labels, so appointment labels. Sorry, yeah, it's appointment labels. Again, I thought I would use this to mark my meetings, put the timing here and put what meeting it is. And then this one, oh, I could use this for my coaching sessions as well. And this is basic labels, so just to mark other regular stuff. So this is one design. It's very fall oriented design. The reason why I place bulk orders with Plannercade is that I live in Canada and her shipping to Canada costs about $13 to $14. That's a lot of money for shipping. So I place order twice a year, one during the Black Friday sale and the other during her anniversary sale. Let me show you the previous stickers that I ordered from her. So I have never ordered kits. This is my first time. I usually place order for these budget stickers, these event labels. Oh my god, I've used so many of these. Actually, I've used one of these this size, and these ones I've already gone through 3 of them. I use them a lot, so I pick it up all at once because shipping costs too much. And this is another design. It's one of my favorite kits again that she did. I love this black washi here. I thought if we could use orange with this black, it would look so nice. I could combine this and this kit. It's gonna look really pretty. So this is one, and then I have this really nice summer feel kit. So it's got this really pretty washi with lots of leaves. I love the color combination here. It's really nice. For all these kits, I just ordered the same ones. And these are again a little bit summery with flamingos, leaves, and some patterns. I love when she uses black along with these mild and pastel colors. I feel it looks really nice. And then we have this really soft and nice floral kit. So love the colors, love the pattern, really nice. And then we have another add-ons kit here. So we have this florals. It's nice, it looks really pretty. And then we have a nice winter kit. I think I'll be using this for January. It's really nice. So same things, thin washi, pattern labels, appointment labels, basic labels. And this is my favorite. This is my favorite kit of all. So we have same thing, it's got this cute umbrellas, raining, clouds, raindrops, all of that. And then I have some full sheets here. So the first one is called Family Time. So every week me and my cousins will get together on a video call and just talk for an hour or so. I thought this would be nice to mark that in my planner, and I have plenty here in this one sheet. I think I'll be good for entire 2021 provided we don't stop those calls. I think I'll be good with that. And then this is another kit, sampler kit. So these are all the add-ons and this is the sampler kit. I got this because rainy season is one of my favorite weathers. It's my favorite weather, so I thought I could use this for my birthday. I think during the Black Friday sale she didn't have her birthday kit, so I picked up this one. I love all the colors. Again, these colors are so close to my branding colors, and it's in my favorite weather pattern, so I'll be using this in my birthday week. And then this is another Christmas kit. Again, I know it's meant for Christmas, but it's just very festive. I feel I could use it for any other Indian festivals as well, and we have a ton of them, so I could use it anytime during the year. And we have this fall themed kit, very pretty. These are actually the older ones, and I picked them because they were already on sale, and on top of that I got 30% off, so I picked the older ones. And then I have this, again, look at the colors that she picks, her designs. I don't know what to say, it's extremely nice, and the quality is really good. Love this. And then we have this Christmas kit. I really love this pattern box here, so I just picked it up. It's really nice. Well, these were all the stickers that I bought, and let me know how you organize the stickers. Right now I'm just using this box to put all the stickers in. I would really love to know a more organized method, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I absolutely loved filming it, and if you want to watch more plan with me videos, a lot is coming up from next week onwards, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.